Hello, the topic of our project for today is Peepoo AI Chat Bot. The numbers and the names of the team members are listed on this slide. Let's move on to the implementation of the project without wasting further amount of time. This is the front end of our project and it is an end-to-end project. So the the websites and the code which has been attached to the project can be integrated easily to any of the other apps and other websites on which this particular project should have to be built on. This is the front end UI of the project. And here comes our chatbot of the project. Now here we can ask any amount of questions related to that particular website, depending enough amount of data is fed to the bot. So suppose if I want to ask like who is Vishal sir, then the response accordingly first will be checked into the dashboard and it will give a proper response. Like Professor Vishal is one of the best machine learning developer and trainer for the budding students. Now let's give it another test. Like who is Nirali ma'am? And the response would be like teaches awesome DWM to the kids of TECOMs. Now you must be wondering how is it even responding to the data given here. So let's move on to the main part of a project, the dashboard, where you can edit the data in real time instead of hard coding it in the code directly. This is a dashboard for our project where it asks for the admin ID and admin password. I've logged into it, and this is the admin panel where the data is present for the bot. Any amount of data for the particular website can be given in this bot. And so, suppose like there's a thing, our mini project topic is chatbot using NLP, as it is there. So let's make it something else. Let's make it tic tac toe and give it a check over there. So let's go move back out to a project. It says the data has been updated successfully, and yeah, what is what is the mini project topic? And the response would be, I guess, tic-tac-toe. Yeah, it is tic-tac-toe. So it updates the data in real time. Now this is a chatbot for our project. The voice bot works on a similar way, but it just takes a voice response and the in message input is sent after 3 seconds if the voice speech recognition thing has taken the correct input from the user and if it has taken some if it has had some understanding by understanding the recognition of the words you can press the clear button to clear the words and it won't send the data with it. It works similarly. Let's move to the third part of our project, that is a chat buddy. Here it's a bot where you can talk to, especially for introverts and also people who are actually bored and they have no one to talk to, so they can actually talk with this bot. Now, suppose if I tell the bot or have a talk with him like, "Hi," the this one will be like,
Hi,
"Hi." The second is one I will guess, "Yeah, what you doing?"
I'm doing nothing.
So as you can see, the bot responds like according to anything. Now, suppose I send in a hate comment, uh, just for check over here. The bot
I love you.
the bot will give you a response. And after a hate comment, suppose I say that directly just to end the conversation, the bot will check for sentiment analysis for the stuff
I'm
and,
sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you.
and it will provide an output like I'm sorry, checking the previous history questions that we have sent, and then we'll respond according to it. It takes five previous questions, and then provides an answer to make it a interesting conversation. And that's it.
I am not sad.
As you can see, it's the same thing. Now, apart from it, you have must have noticed there's a time use, so we have fixed in the time function. So it makes it like you're talking to a real person in real time. So that's it for the project. This project is end to end and hence can be integrated to any website or app accordingly. It consists of three parts: chatbot, voicebot, and chatbuddy. The chatbot and voicebot are made with the help of word model, and the chatbuddy is made with the help of Dialog GPT-2 model, which are both available by the Hugging Face in their Transformers library. And this is the front end of our project. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.